take pictures? Are you videoing? Yolanda doing the Bennett Livingston. The Bennett Livingston shuffle.
Yeah, I'll come and listen.
Oh,
I got a bit of it.
you got a bit, yeah. I was just filming you, but
Here comes Bennett.
I remember that whole advertising campaign.
Not happy, Bennett.
Oh, look, you know, everything can always be improved.
Bit late for that.
the drum solo at the end.
So let's track it twice again.
Yeah, cool.
With no 16, smash the fuck out of this.
Right, what are you getting at now?
Yeah, so we get rid of this.
Smash it!
Get rid of these two tracks.
Smash it out! Smash it out!
He's on fire.
Stay off the drum.
Fuck, he's I think Bennett's been at the cafe this morning.
Yeah, he's been at something, I know that. I'm going to get a line.
Simon dancing.
Is that a line of the
This is Bennett's porno.
Oh, so
Yeah.
pizza belly. There's underbelly, there's pizza belly.
How gay is this?
Yeah.
Hello!
Oh, I actually think that was pretty
Super,
good.
thanks for asking.
I like that.
Did you like it?
That's noise restriction
me.
in some room. I believe there was a proximity effect because I had the noise meter right there.
I was going to say.
95 TV and a C waiting for a fart.
Sorry, you're not
There was
coming in.
one. Is it this first chorus, the second chorus?
Oh, yeah. Come on, blunt me, Pete.
Oh, I did feel the need to go.
Yeah, so do I. Maybe we can do like a blunt 69. Blumping 69.
Oh God. Where did it go?
Hey, come lick my head in the bed.
Doesn't stop over here.
Come lick my head.
Oh, when is that me?
I end up putting stuff in the back.
Bennett's
gotta
the
tune
only one
down
that's
again.
professional here.
Oh no, you've unplugged me.
And then we got to do
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
Get fades in if I don't drink any beer.
I know that you're a wild one. Set my soul on fire. Every time I hear your voice, I always make the wrong choice. I got a taste for danger.
Yeah, no, there are a couple of places behind and above, but fucking finally.
I can't do that.
Yeah, are you happy with that, Bennett?
Yeah, it was fucking shitloads better.
Yeah, cool.
That was the best take yet.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, that was.
That was
Bennett, that was the one, I reckon. Bennett?
He's dead. He's just
Spontaneously combusted. Hey Bennett, that was the best take yet. Alright, that's it.
Down.
Good session everyone.
Thanks, Rog.
Well done.
all good.